Hello guys, welcome once again. My name is Sam, the tech chef. All right, what if I tell you that you can create a website for your business? All right, I don't know if you are providing a service or you are selling a product. What if I tell you that it is very easy for you to create a website or a landing page, as the case may be, just like the one you're looking at now on the screen? All right, okay, so this is a landing page I created for someone that sells a flat tummy tea. All right, okay, so one of the advantage of having a website for your business is that it makes it easier for people to reach you. All right, it makes it easier for you to get more customers or clients, and it is very easy. All you just need to do is to set up the website, the landing page, and then come over to Facebook or Google and run your ad. When you run your ad, people get to see your ad, and then they click on the link and it takes them to your website. All right, and from there they will place order and you deliver to them and get your payment. Easy as ABC. All right, so what you're looking at here is a landing page I created for someone. Okay, just to show you that I'm the one that actually created this, I will take you to the back end. Okay, I will take you to the back end of this. Just hold on a little, let me take you to the back end. Now this is the back end. All right, this is WordPress. All right, let me go to the page, all pages. Yeah, so this is the page that I just showed you guys, the slim tea page. I can easily, let me click on view. When I click on view, we see where it takes us to. So this is the back end where the magic takes place. All right, so if you want to learn how to create a landing page like this, and also okay, let's just focus on the landing page first. If you want to learn how to create a landing page like this, all right, just follow me or subscribe to this channel, as the case may be. I'll be dropping a private tutorial. It's gonna be a private tutorial, okay, on how to create something like this. All right, I will teach you how to get a domain name, because first of all you need to get a domain. You need to get a domain name. From the domain name, you need to get a hosting plan, and after that I will teach you how to set up your WordPress and also the plugins for you to install. And what you are going to get is that I'm going to give you a free Elementor Pro. You might not know much about Elementor Pro at this stage, but when you get to it, you get to understand what Elementor Pro means. Elementor Pro is not actually cheap. It's a very expensive plugin, but I'm going to give you the free plugin. All right, and I'm going to give it to you for free for just a token amount. I will show you personally. It's going to be a personal thing, not a pre-recorded video. Although I'm going to do a pre-recorded video which I'm going to post on my YouTube channel. All right, so once you pay a token amount of just 3,000 naira, you'll be able to access those videos. But if you want a one-on-one live session where I'm going to teach you how to go about this from step to step, how to run a Facebook, or what I say, a meta ad, and how to link your pixel to your website. All right, I'm going to show you every damn thing you need to know. All right, but that comes with a price, and although I'm not going to charge you too much, I won't charge you too much. All right, so for a token of 30,000 naira, you get to have a live session with me. I'm going to break all this thing down to you. All right, I promise you that just under 2 hours, okay, let me not exaggerate, under 3 hours you will start building your own personal website. All right, and landing pages. And one good thing about this skill is that when you learn it, you can actually teach people. All right, you can teach people to make your own money. You can also render services. You can also render the services to people. You can charge as much as 200 to 300,000 naira to create landing pages for people. I'm telling you. All right, so if you want me to do this, if you want me to actually do this, please comment yes on the comment section. Follow me or subscribe, as the case may be. Thanks and God bless.